A common platform election campaign was held at the Kim Musniang Dorbar Chnong Community Hall yesterday for the 19th Jhadc South constituency. The event featured candidates from various parties including NPP's K. Dikal Singh Pawa, INC's Saran Paswet, VPP's Ayai Batlang Talang, BJP's Hemon Meter Pawa, who was absent, and independent Moonlight Pariat. Each candidate was allotted 30 minutes to present their plans for the Jhadc. During their address at the platform, all candidates expressed their commitment, action plans and political agendas in seeking support from the residents of Kim Musniang locality.
Congress wago VPP yele emno ka UDP wago MVP yele emno tangoro gini point number nyo ga absolute majority yele ga por na tip haete ne de daw em kangi gi independent panen gi kangi independent yele ga por yo do ai ga post wa kle yo the council